Hello guys, good morning. Once again, this is Sir Boyet and welcome to my channel.
Hey, what's up, guys? Hey.
For today's vlog, I will introduce to you a new science project so that you will have an idea for your science investigatory projects. Garlic, a source of electricity. Could it be possible? Well, to prove, please watch this video. So today, we are going to make a simple battery from garlic, a source of electricity. Let's explore. Activity title: How to make a garlic battery. You will need garlic, zinc metal, copper metal, multi-tester, wires, and digital watch. What to do? Get copper metal from scrap solid copper wire, preferably number 10 or 12 American wire gauge. Get a zinc metal from scrap roofing materials, or you can also recover it from dry cells or battery. Old battery. This is the garlic, and we have one garlic here, and we have also the time watch or digital watch. So I remove all the batteries and I replace it with wires, and we have also to wire attach our copper and zinc. So we have two metals, copper, and the other one is zinc. So we have two conductors, copper and zinc. So, and we have also the so-called multimeter or multi-tester. So we can adjust this to voltage, resistance, and ampere. So we'll adjust it to voltage 10. So we have the garlic, and we will remove the cloves. So we need only two cloves. So just like two cells of battery. So we have one cell clove garlic, and the other one also. So all in all, we have two cells, two cloves of garlic. So we will insert this. This is the copper metal, and the other one will insert this zinc. And then, since we will make a series circuit, so we have two batteries, two cells, two garlic cloves of garlic. So in the positive side, we need the copper. Since this is series circuit, so we have the arrangement: copper, then zinc. So in the negative side of our load, we have the zinc and copper. This circuit. Oops! Wow! Yes, there is electric current. The digital watch energized. Yes. So energized by two cloves of garlic, two batteries. So okay, energize again. Yes, and it is very successful. So how about the voltage? So in dry cell, the voltage is 1.5. So since the requirement of our load is only 3 volts, so we need two dry cells. But this one, I think this digital watch requires only 1.5 volts. Yes, 1.5 volts. 1.5 volt of electricity. So let us check the voltage. We cannot check the voltage right now because the load is still the energy is still used by the load. So let us detach first, remove, okay, and we will test the voltage of the individual cell. So we have the voltage. Okay, we have the voltage reading. Since the voltage reading is not enough to energize the timer, so we need to connect these two series, because the voltage of each cell is only 0.75. So we need 1.5 volt 1.5 volt of electricity. So we need 2, so at least we can energize the time watch. Let us set the watch. Can set. Okay. Yes. Woo. It energized. So this is a very successful project. So you can do this at home easily. Very good. Very good.
Here is the explanations. Acids, bases, and salt are good electrolyte. Electrolyte is a solution that conducts electricity. Since garlic has sulfonic acid is the reason why garlic can be used as source of electricity. So guys, thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel for more videos and also get more ideas about science projects.